Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. My name is Ms. Ramsha Batul and today I am going to explain you about the Maths Summer Pack of Primary 1. Alright, when you will move towards the content section of your summer pack, you will find out that the maths is on page number 11. So let's open page number 11 and discuss about the maths summer pack. Okay, so this is the first page of your math summer pack and the topic given to you here is addition. Now what you have to do is that you are going to count the number of objects which are given to you here and you will write the number in the space given to you. For example, these are the strawberries, so you have to count that how many strawberries are there and you have to write the number in the given space. Then you will count the number of strawberries given here and you are going to write the correct number here, and then you will add both of them and write your answer here. You can also do the addition with the help of the objects given to you. In the same way you are going to solve the other questions as well. Alright, so this is the addition part of your summer pack. Now the other topic which is given to you is related to subtraction. Now there are some animals who are holding some boards and on each board there is a subtraction fact written. Alright, for example, this is 2 minus 1. So you are going to perform the subtraction and whatever answer will come you are going to write that answer in the given spaces. Alright, with here. Alright, after subtraction, the topic which is given to you in the summer pack is related to the topic time. Now what you have to do here is that you have to draw the hour hand for each clock. You can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 clocks given here. Fine. Now you have to see the time first, alright, and you have to write the correct time in the clock given here. Now how you will do it? You are going to only draw the hour hand. Why? Because the minute hand is already given to you in each clock. Okay, so just by looking at the time you are going to draw the hour hand on the correct time. Alright, moving towards to the next topic, which is about less and more. Compare the two numbers in each row. Trace more or less to complete each sentence correctly. Now the numbers are given to you here. Fine, these are the numbers given to you. For example, it is written here 8 is more or less than 5. So now you are going to decide whether 8 is more than 5 or whether 8 is less than 5. So if you think that 8 is more than 5, so you are going to trace the word more. If you think that the number 8 is less than 5, so you are going to trace the word less. Okay, similarly you have to do all the other parts as well. Now another topic which is given to you in the summer pack is related to the topic graphs. Count the flowers and color the graph. Now in this box you can see that there are different types of flowers given to you, and here there is a graph. In the graph there are 3 types of flowers given to you. Fine, so you are going to count first of all going to count all of the flowers which are like this one. So you are going to count the number of flowers, fine, of this one, and you are going to color that how many flowers are there. For example, if there are 3 flowers like this, so you are just going to count till 3, color till 3. If there are 6 flowers given to you like this one, so you are going to color the 6 boxes. Okay, in the same way you are going to count and color the number of boxes for each of the type of flower. Alright, so this was the explanation of the summer pack of maths for primary 1. I hope you all are going to enjoy doing the questions. So best of luck. Meet you inshallah. Allah Hafiz.